Welcome to Bound News Network. We're actually taking a closer look at the most profitable niches in the affiliate marketing space. And of course, it goes without saying that if this is content that you appreciate, why not just go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to this video, and also check out our previous videos in our series about affiliate marketing and internet marketing, as we are actually going to be taking a closer look at a lot of different dimensions for the affiliate marketing space. So let's actually get into this. So we're actually taking a closer look at what's actually happening with 2021, all of the different dynamics of us actually going back into this so-called normalization zone where we're actually recovering from the pandemic. Many of us are actually returning back to the office space, and many of us as workers are actually staying working remotely, dictated by the various initiatives of corporate America, depending on whichever industry that you're in. So with that said, that actually spells a lot of really good opportunities in the affiliate marketing space. Right now, as we progress back into the normalization zone, as you already know, everyone's itching to actually get back into travel. Actually, we see upticks in attendance to a lot of the national parks across the United States. We see an uptick in travel to hotspots such as Cancun and Miami, and also San Diego, San Francisco, Los Angeles. Even with escalating heat, we do see uptick in visits to along the Pacific Northwest. So the real subject of this video is that as an affiliate marketer, how can you profit from these upticks in the travel industry? So we believe strongly, based on the information we're seeing with open rates of emails as well as click to open rates of marketing emails on various opt-in channels, even on social media, that we do believe that there are going to be three sectors that are going to be really profitable for affiliate marketers going into 2021, 2022, and even 2023. Keep in mind that normalization is not going to happen in 2021 as we try to recover from this pandemic. Normalization is probably going to take a good 2 to 3 years if we progress on this path towards all the different initiatives as far as vaccines and stimulus and so forth, but that's another video. So if we take a closer look, we actually see that there are going to be three sectors as far as the affiliate marketing space that is going to be offering the most opportunities. We believe that to be travel and leisure, health and wellness, and also technology. We also put in this information finance because, of course, finance has been a sector that has hit pretty heavily as far as people losing income, and also the loss of businesses. A lot of businesses are trying to recoup. A lot of businesses are now re-evaluating the economy, and there's actually a surge in online and e-commerce development. So this is a great time if you are in an affiliate market space to actually start in this business. So as we take a closer look at what is really driving these 3 or 4 niches as far as opportunities for affiliate marketers, we take a closer look at one main factor, and that is the fact that with the normalization comes with more people actually working remotely. So if we take one more closer look at this dimension, we see that with more people working remotely, they have access to a lot more social media. They have access to different types of opt-in channels. And with that said, as far as affiliate marketers are concerned, your success is going to be really dictated by joining an affiliate network that has trusted relationships with some of the largest brands. Whether you're in a travel and leisure or lifestyle and wellness, health, or finance, which we believe is going to be those 3 or 4 niches going into 2021 that are going to be offering the most opportunities, and not only limited to 2021 but also 2022 and the latter part of 2022. We see a focus around the area of travel and leisure, lifestyle and wellness, health, as well as technology and finance. So if you are actually affiliate marketer in any of these 4 or 5 niches that we highlight highlighted just now, we anticipate that you will actually see significant opportunities once you are with an affiliate network that is going to actually be able to, that's going to offer you scalability, and not only offer you scalability, but also be able to offer you bi-weekly or weekly compensation, and as also provide to you a great product suite that you'll be able to promote, whether you are offering a written blog or a vlog, video blog, or whatever, or even social media content. You're going to have a lot of great opportunities. So one thing that we want to highlight as far as being an affiliate marketer is joining a network that has solid scalability, has a solid reputation as far as payouts are concerned, and also has trusted relationships with the major brands. And these brands can be in the travel section, they can be in the lifestyle niche, they can be in the health niche, they can also be in the finance niche. But these are opportunities that you're going to be looking for as an affiliate marketer. As we go into 2021, the latter part of 2021, we are actually taking a closer look at what has actually happened in 2020. And if you go back to any of the previous videos, you can see that we actually broke down the CTR as well as the click-through open rates for a lot of the different niches. So it will be very important as sort of a prequel to this video that you actually take a look at maybe the previous videos, because we actually broke down statistically as far as which industries were seeing the highest click-through rates as well as the highest click-to-open rates, and then we correlated that with year-over-year brand revenue that was leading up to 10 days before any of the major events such as Labor Day, Independence Day, and Valentine's Day, any of the major celebrations, Christmas Day, and what that meant for brand revenue. One of the main trends that we're looking at, several trends that we're looking at and monitoring for 2021, is that we're seeing that more consumers are actually gravitating from websites, and they're gravitating to doing their shopping with apps. And we're seeing that migration more and more going into 2021. So the main thing for affiliate marketers that we can recommend once you choose your niche, and we recommend something in the lifestyle and wellness, something in the travel and leisure, perhaps even something in the region of finance, that you have to really focus on how you can actually reach your consumers on their mobile phone. We have actually seen trends in advertising where there's more of a shift from desktop monetization to mobile monetization of content. So with that said, you're actually going to be monitoring as we mentioned in previous videos, the 10 touch points along the consumer path towards making that purchase, and they're going to be more geared towards the mobile pathway as far as what the consumer is actually making a path towards that purchase. So in order for you to thrive in this space, we recommend that you are more geared towards focusing on how you can actually come up with marketing strategies and tactics that will allow you to gain market share mobile space, as well as being able to thrive as far as being in the realm of being in the app space, and they both coincide with each other. So as we take a closer look at this normalization zone, and it's very, very important for us to understand the dynamics of normalization and how it spells opportunities for us as affiliate marketers, we're going to really focus on two niches in the affiliate market space, and that's going to be travel and leisure, and that's also going to be lifestyle and wellness, because we feel that more and more people, they have been on lockdown for the last year and a half. They want to experience the national parks, even if it's a road trip for 2 days that doesn't include any air travel. Some people have a different threshold as far as their own sense of risk. So some people, we have seen an actual uptick in road travel opportunities. We've actually seen an uptick in tour opportunities with national parks. We have seen an increase in travel to the Grand Canyon. Having just returned from Las Vegas, actually seen significant foot traffic along the strip. So people do want to get out They do want to be thrifty with their travel, but they're also looking for opportunities. And this is where, as an affiliate marketer in the travel industry, this actually increases the opportunities for you. So by all means, make sure you click the link in the description box if you want to actually join a solid network that has reputable relationships and trusted relationships for several years, going back 3, 4, 5 years, with a lot of the major hotel chains, as well as different nations such as Mexico, and a lot of different opportunities. So you'll actually see the link in the description box. So as we go forward and we focus on our leisure and travel, as well as the lifestyle and wellness, do keep in mind that we're going to be highlighting the fact that joining an affiliate network that is scalable, that is also reputable and has trusted relationships with various brands, whether you're in a travel or if you're in a lifestyle, wellness, health, organic products. Make sure that they have, you investigate before joining that they have these trusted relationships for many years and they pay out on time. But we do feel that going into 2022, and we're talking about 2022 at this time because we see the shift between, you should actually be shifting your mindset from looking at August 2021 through the middle of 2022 at this time for opportunities, because this is actually what's called the pre-normalization zone as far as us getting back to normal after the pandemic. And let me just repeat that we feel that the two hottest niches for affiliate marketers at this time are travel and leisure and lifestyle and wellness. And we correlated that with data from our previous videos having to do with click-through rates of and also open rates, click-to-open rates of emails based on Campaign Monitor data, as well as year-over-year revenue as correlated to different events throughout the year. So we're actually taking a closer look at hard, cold data based on email marketing and other aspects. We're also really interested and very well doing a lot of research as far as the impact of TikTok and Instagram on the realm of affiliate marketing. We feel there are going to be some significant opportunities there. Very, very untapped space for affiliate marketers once it is done creatively, and that's where it really comes down to creativity, which is limited only by your own imagination as far as engineering social media campaigns to drive traffic to your affiliate landing pages going forward. So as far as joining a network, these are the highlights that we want to mention to you. If you choose the #1 niche that we recommend, and of course click on that link in the description box if you'd like to get a preview of what we feel is one of the most solid networks right now as far as established relationships with hotels chains throughout the United States and the world. But they do a lot of bookings in Mexico. They're actually one of the top many vacation providers recognized by the Tourism Board of Mexico. But definitely join a network that has can handle a large number of tourists, join a network that has competitive compensation schedule, and then join a network that offers scalability as well as a great product suite. And then also join a network that nurtures the affiliate mindset for growth, whereas you're not just left hanging as far as an affiliate. A solid affiliate network in the niche that you choose should be very, very supportive of their affiliate base and tie the growth of their affiliate base to the growth of their company. And in our opinion, once you start looking into MB, you'll actually see that they are a solid company with a very, very reputable affiliate network for helping you to build your business online as an affiliate marketer. Not only as an affiliate marketer, but the tools and products that you learn with MB can also be applied to a regular brick and mortar business also. And also definitely choose a network that has very, very strong and trusted partnerships in the hotel sector and also the travel sector. And also payouts are very, very important. If payouts are on time with very, very flexible options as far as compensation. So by all means, make sure that you watch the previous videos so you can understand where we actually got this information as far as being able to correlate and isolate in our opinion, of course, the two hottest niches for 2021, 2022 for affiliate marketers. And we do feel, let's repeat, travel and leisure and lifestyle and wellness. So with that said, we just wanted to conclude this video with asking you to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We try to publish these types of internet marketing, affiliate marketing videos on a daily basis to our YouTube channel. And of course, please go ahead and click that share button so that we can actually share this information with those who are very interested in starting their own affiliate marketing business. This is an excellent time, especially during the pre-normalization zone. We call that pre-normalization window of August to the middle of 2022. There are going to be some significant opportunities, and if you're tracking the growth of social media channels such as TikTok and Instagram, then you know as an affiliate marketer this is going to be an incredible time to actually get into the affiliate marketing space. So with that said, thank you for joining here on Broad News Network, our latest video on affiliate marketing and internet marketing. I hope this information served you well, and please look forward to our next video that will assist you with helping to build your business. Smash that notification bell and also smash that like button and subscribe. We thank you and have a great day, and all the best to you and your success.